Good morning, sir.
Good morning, dear students. Are you all fine?
Yes,
We're
sir, and
fine.
you?
About you?
I'm also fine.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Some of you send me message that you have problem in question number B. So let's move forward. We are in chapter of linear equations. We were in questions of graphical solution, method of solving equation by graphical method. Yesterday we did one question related to graphical method. Again today also we will continue it, and before that just look at one question of question number B. Solve the pair of equation by elimination method and check the solution. Two things are asked to us. One, solve the equations and check the solution. This check the solutions is asked in all questions, but up to now we find the solutions only, we solved only, because this is not necessary. This is the simple thing to check our answer right छ कि छैन भन्ने चेक गर्ने मेथड मात्रै हो. So up to now we solved the equations only. In this type of question, out of 7, 8, 9, some other questions are also similar. Again, if you don't know remaining questions, just like 7, 8, 7, 9, because 8 I am solving now, and from question number 1 also, if any problem comes, you may ask to me afterward. Either I will send the solution you in messenger personally, or I will solve the question in next class. Okay. So
Okay,
for
sir.
this question, at first write these equations, and we must arrange this equation. यो इक्वेसनलाई यत्तिकै छोडेर हुँदैन. Take this 340 to another side, and it becomes 3x plus 2y is equal to 340. This is our equation first. क्वेसनमा दिएको इक्वेसन जस्ताको तस्तै इक्वेसन फर्स्ट भनेर लिने होइन. So which is first equation? 3x plus 2y is equal to 340 is our equation first. And next one, second, is already in form of ax plus by is equal to c. So we can leave it as it is. यसलाई यत्तिकै equation second भन्न मिल्छ. In this question, we have to use elimination method. That means method of cancellation. Method of cancellation means removing the terms. So to remove this 3x 2x or 2y 3y, यो दुईटा या यो दुईटा मध्ये कुनै एउटालाई रिमुभ गर्ने अर्को भ्यालु आउँछ. गुड मर्निङ, join in time. We are in question number 8 of question number B. So in elimination method, one of the variable must be cancelled. X variable या y variable cancel गर्नुपर्ने हो. त्यसको लागि यो दुईटै सेम बनाउनु पर्यो. 3 र 2 को एलसीएम लिनुपर्ने हो, or 2 र 3 को एलसीएम लिएर either we have to cancel variable with variable y, term with variable y, or term with variable x. So if you want to cancel the variable x, you have to multiply first equation by 2. फर्स्ट पुरै इक्वेसनलाई 2 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्यो भने 6 हुन्छ यहाँनिर. And if we'll multiply second equation by 3, it will be also 6x. यो पनि 6x हुन्छ, यो पनि 6x. फर्स्टलाई 2 र यसलाई 3 ले मल्टिप्लाई गरेर. Or if we want to cancel the variable y, then if 2y is multiplied by 3, यो पुरै इक्वेसनलाई 3 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्यो भने 6y हुन्छ, र सेकेन्ड इक्वेसनलाई 2 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्यो भने यो पनि 6y हुन्छ. Then easily we can cancel out. So we have to multiply the second equation by 2 to cancel out the y. Second equation is multiplied by 2, second into 2, and it is subtracted from first into 3. इक्वेसन फर्स्टलाई 3 ले मल्टिप्लाई गरिसकेर त्यसबाट इक्वेसन 2 लाई 2 ले मल्टिप्लाई गरेर सबट्र्याक्ट गर्नुपर्ने छ. सेम थिङ आई हेभ रिटन हियर. Subtracting equation second into 2, this is equation second. This equation is subtracted after multiplying it by 2 from equation first after multiplying it by 3. Equation first लाई 3 ले multiply गरिसकेपछि त्यसबाट equation 2 लाई 2 ले multiply गरेर subtract गर्दैछौं. So if equation first is multiplied by 3, look at this one. यो पुरै सबै भ्यालुहरुलाई 3 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6 and 340 into 3 it is 1020. And after multiplying this one equation first by 3, then multiply equation second by 2 also. If equation 2 is multiplied by 2, 2 2 is 4x and 3 2 is 6. Similarly 360 into 2 720. Now subtract the equation. While subtracting we have to change the sign. There is positive sign and it becomes negative. Similarly this positive sign becomes negative again. Again third one also this positive sign becomes negative. Now while subtracting plus 6y and minus 6y are cancelled. These two are cancelled. And 9x minus 4x, what is its value?
5x.
5x. And 1020 minus 720, it is 300. To get value of x, divide this 300 by 5. 300 like 5 le divide kara. What will be its value? If 300 is divided by 5?
60.
60. So x is equal to 60. After getting value of x, put this value of x either in equation first or in second. First ma rakhe pani huncha, equation second ma rakhe pani huncha. So putting value of x in equation first, I have taken equation first to put value of x. So if we want to put value of x in equation first, यो first मा x को ठाउँमा हामीले राख्नु पर्ने हो कति त 60. In place of this x we have to put 60 because value of x is 60 and other terms will remain as it is. 3 into 60 plus 2y is equal to 340. This is obtained from equation first. Now 3 into 60, what is its value?
180.
180 plus 2y is equal to 340. Now take this
40.
180 to right hand side. 2y is equal to 340 minus 180. Subtract it. What is its value?
160.
160. 2y is equal to 160. Then what will be value of y? Yadi 2y is equal to 160 छ भने
80.
yes, divided by 2.
80.
Y is equal to 160 divided by 2. It is equal to 80. So we get both values. Value of x is 60. Value of y is 80. These are our required answer. X is equal to 60 and y is equal to 80. And after this, another process is checking. I included in this question only. You may check some questions yourself. Okay. In similar way, by using the similar process, you can check other questions also. So checking means either we can take equation first or we can take equation second. यो दुईटा मध्ये जुनसुकै equation लिए पनि हुन्छ, either first or second. I have taken here equation first. 3x plus 2y is equal to 340. This is equation first. And put both values of x as well as y. X र y को दुईटै भ्यालुहरु यहाँ राख. X is equal to 60 and y is equal to 80. Put both values. 3 into x, that is 60, 2 into y, that is 80, is equal to 340. Multiply it. 180 plus 160. 180 plus 160 is again 340. And it is true. That means we get the right answer here. If we get false value here, wrong, left hand side र right hand side मा फरक value आयो भने हामीले गरेको solution wrong छ भन्ने हुन्छ. This is the process of checking in exam also. Exam मा पनि हाम्रो answer right आयो कि wrong आयो भन्ने shortly easily check गर्ने process यही हो. Either we get wrong or right answer. We have to put both values in any of the equations. Then our answers will be checked. So is there any confusion in it?
No, sir.
Okay, if there is no confusion, let's move to next questions. Have you completed yesterday's question related to graphical solution? Question number 10,
Yes, sir.
or it is remaining? We were doing this question and we did up to the tables. ये tables बनाई सके थे, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Morning.
Okay, if not done, complete it. And let us complete it now. The fast. And yesterday I said if you don't have graph copy, bring it today. Do you have graph paper today?
Yes, sir.
sir.
यो
Yes, sir.
दुईटै टेबल्सहरूलाई अब हामीले ग्राफमा प्लट गर्नुपर्ने छ. So I am opening the GeoGebra Classic 5 as well as this one. Tables are visible to you. One table x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Similarly minus 2, 7, 4 and minus 2. यो भ्यालुहरूलाई यहाँ पुट गर्नुपर्ने हो ग्राफमा. So at first let me write other things also. This one is O, origin. Next one, first point is 2, 1. Point is 2, 1. This is the first point. Let me hide the name. Only I want to leave the point here. A to 1. Next point is minus 2, 7. Minus 2, 7. Here it is. यहाँनिर छ minus 2, 7. This is the first point, 2, 1. Second point, minus 2, 7. And third point, 4 minus 2. 4 units right side and 2 unit downward. 4, minus 2. This is next point. Now join these points to get the line by using your scale.
Okay, sir.
Join point A and B. This is the line. यो फर्स्ट टेबलको लागि लाइन ड्र भइसक्यो है. And if we want to give the name, we may give name to it. This is minus
A, B, C.
equation of the line is 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. We did mistake here or it's right? Check it. Okay, all are negative here. That means after taking negative common, all will be positive. यहाँ हाम्रो क्वेसनमा भएको 3x plus 2y is equal to 8 छ. यो सबैमा यो डाउनवर्ड गइराखेको हुनाले जियोजेब्राले सबैलाई नेगेटिभ देखाएको छ. It is downward sloping, so it shows negative. Upward sloping भएको भए पोजिटिभै देखाउँथ्यो. Its meaning and meaning of this one are same. सबैमा प्लस हुनु र सबैमा माइनस हुनु एउटै हो. यहाँबाट माइनस कमन भएर क्यान्सल भइहाल्छ. Okay. Now let's give name to it. What is the name of this line? 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. Latex form looks good. त्यसैले मैले यसलाई latex फर्ममा कन्भर्ट गरे. And I want to make it a bit bigger, bold and medium size. This is our first equation. Similarly, second one. Now look at second table. Second table is for second table x is equal to 1, 2 and 4, y are 3, 1 and -3. Put these values together. You सबै राख्नु पर्ने 1, 3 first one, then 2, 1, after that 4 minus 3. So first point is 1, 3. 1, 3. This is first point. Are you observing this one?
Yes, sir.
Next point is 2, 1. Do you think it is necessary to put next point? 2, 1. अघिको टेबलमा पनि थियो 2, 1. 2, 1. So I don't think it is necessary. Then also let us put this one. अर्को पनि 2, 1 यही आयो. For previous line as well as for new line, this is the same point 2, 1. Next third point 4 minus 3. 4, -3. This is third point. You can observe it here. Now join these also. Let me hide this one because now it is not needed. हामीलाई चाहिँदैन. And let us maximize this one. GeoGebra window लाई maximize गरौँ. And after maximizing, join the points. First point 1, 3, second point 2, 1, and third point is 4, -3. Join these 3 points by using your scale line. First point is D. Another point we can take F or E. So let me take F now. Join by. This is another point. Both lines are visible.
Yes, sir.
So it is
Yes, sir.
difficult to know which one is the first line and which one is second line. यो दुईटा मध्ये कुन कताको हो भन्ने अलिकति डिफिकल्ट भयो. त्यसैले यो इक्वेसनलाई म अलिकति सार्दिन्छु. अर्कोको इक्वेसन पनि माथितिर लेखिदिन्छु. Okay.
Okay.
This is low. Left one is 3x plus 2y is equal to 8 and another 2x plus y is equal to 5. Text 2x plus 5 y, sorry, 2x plus y is equal to 5. And latex looks good. Okay, let me make it also a bit bigger. यसलाई अलिकति ठुलो बनाऊ. Bold and medium size. So this is the line for the equation 2x plus y is equal to 5. यो माथिपट्टिको यो line 2x plus y is equal to 5 हो र left तिरको line 3x minus y is equal to 8 हो. Another thing, as we did yesterday here, हिजो हामीले के काम गरेका थियौं भन त? We have to write which one is 1 square unit by using polygon tool. I am doing it here. You can draw yourself in your copy. Copy मा यो काम त्यत्तिकै भइहाल्छ. केही टुल युज गर्नु पर्दैन. Scale, pencil. This polygon is drawn and I want to hide their names. And that is equal to 1 square unit. त्यो डब्बालाई हामीले 1 square unit काउन्ट गरेका छौं भनेर ग्राफमा लेख्न नेसेसरी हुन्छ है. Okay. As well as it is equal to 1 square unit. Medium size, bold. Okay. It is equal to 1 square unit. I have to say okay. अब यो म्याथ इक्वेसन एडिटरमा क्यान्सल गरिदिएपछि आइहाल्छ यहाँ in this we have to say okay, these walks are necessary. अर्को काम यतापट्टि यो x एक्सिस हो, यतापट्टि y एक्सिस हो, यो ओरिजिन हो भनेर यो सबै लेख्नु पर्छ है. And I think for point of intersection it is not necessary to show point of intersection again, because here it is clear that point of intersection is 2, 1. Point of intersection 2, 1 हो भन्ने क्लियरली देखिएको छ नि, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
अब यहाँ 2, 1 भनेर हामीले लेखिदिनु पर्यो point of intersection. Our point of intersection is 2, 1. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Okay, are you observing this previous window?
Yes, sir.
Our point of intersection, our point of common solution is 2, 1. So x is equal to 2 as well as y is equal to 1 are our required answer. Any confusion is remaining in it? Main कुरा यो point बाट जुन यो equation छ 3x is equal to 8 minus 2y and x is equal to 8 minus 2y divided by 3. You must understand how to draw this table. यो टेबल कसरी आयो भन्ने चाहिँ बुझ्नु पर्यो है. 2-3 चोटि प्र्याक्टिस गरेर, जस्तो यो y को ठाउँमा 1 राख्दै यहाँ यसलाई रफली क्याल्कुलेट पनि गर्न सक्छौ. So if you will not understand it, you may ask to me afterward. Next day we will solve it again if you don't know. Okay? Because other questions are for you. From question number 2 to 8, I solved 1 and 10 only. If out of 2 to 8, if any question is problematic, if there is problem in such question, you may ask to me. So let's move to question number D. This is verbal question. Sentence को रूपमा दिएको छ. Question number D and E. Both are similar type of questions, and similar questions are there in next exercise, exercise 11 also. So at first look at this one. If the total cost of 2 kg chicken and 1 kg mutton is rupees 1500 and the total cost of 1 kg chicken and 2 kg mutton is rupees 1950, find the cost per kg chicken and mutton. टोटल कस्ट दिएको छ 2 केजी चिकन र 1 केजी मटन किन्दा 1500 पर्छ भनेको छ, कुखुराको मासु र खसीको मासु. सिमिलरली 1 केजी चिकन र 2 केजी मटन किन्दा 1950 पर्छ भनेको छ. बट वी डोन्ट नो व्हाट इज द कस्ट अफ 1 केजी चिकन एज वेल एज वी डोन्ट नो कस्ट अफ 1 केजी मटन. So for it, at first the value which we don't know should be taken as unknown variable. So let the cost of 1 kg chicken be x. 1 kg chicken को cost लाई x मान्यो र 1 kg mutton को cost लाई y मान्यो. Okay. So look at this first sentence now. त्यति भइसकेपछि यो first sentence लाई हेर त. If cost of 1 kg chicken is x, 1 kg chicken को x rupees पर्छ भने 2 kg chicken को कति पर्छ? What will be cost of 2 kg?
2x.
2x.
If cost of 1 kg is x, cost of 2 kg will be 2x. Similarly, here is cost of 1 kg mutton only. 1 kg छ भने त y मात्रै राख्नु पर्यो. Isn't it? So it is the cost of 2 kg chicken and 1 kg mutton. 2 kg chicken र 1 kg mutton जोडेर 1500 हुन्छ. So according to question, we can write 2x, this is the cost of 2 kg chicken, and plus y, it is the cost of 1 kg mutton, which is equal to 1500. This is our first equation. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
2 kg chicken भनेको हुनाले 2x आयो, 1 kg mutton भनेको हुनाले y आयो, because we have taken that, we suppose that cost of 1 kg is x and 1 kg mutton be y. तो suppose गरेको बाट 2 kg को. Now you may tell What will be equation for second one? यो second को लागि equation के होला त? Cost of 1 kg chicken?
X plus 2y is
2y equal to
Yes.
1950.
1950.
Cost of 1 kg chicken is x and cost of 2 kg mutton is 2y. X plus 2y is equal to 1950. That is our second equation. Now if you have the equation छ भने यसलाई solve गर्न त आइहाल्छ. Either you may use substitution method or you may use graphical method for solving these two equations. Here I use substitution method because it is easier. If you think elimination method is
Excuse
easier,
me, sir.
yes please.
Sir, elimination method पनि use गर्न मिल्छ नि?
Yes, of course. It's your choice. कुन use गर्ने भन्ने तिम्रो choice हो. जस्तो फर्स्ट इक्वेसनलाई 2 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्यो भने 4x plus 2y is equal to 3000 हुन्छ. त्यहाँबाट इक्वेसन सेकेन्ड सबट्र्याक्ट गरिदेऊ. And 2y cancel हुन्छ. 4x minus x 3x is equal to यहाँ something रहन्छ. You will get the answer. So it's your choice which method you want to use. I am using substitution method here. From equation first, there is 2x plus y is equal to 1500. I have taken 2x to right side. 2x यतातिर ल्याएर y is equal to 1500 minus 2x. And put this value in equation second. In substitution method, value obtained from first must be substituted in equation second. First बाट निकालेको value second मा राख्नु पर्छ. So substituting value of y in equation second, x plus 2y. Value of y is 1500 minus 2x is equal to 1950. So simplify it, multiply it inside. यसले भित्र multiply गरेर 2 into 1500 it is 3000 minus, because plus into minus it is minus, 2 to the 4x is equal to 1950. So now x minus 4x it is minus 3x. Similarly take 3000 to right hand side. 1950 minus 3000 it is minus 1050. So minus 3x is equal to minus 1050. Minus and minus cancelled. Minus and minus cancelled. If 1050 is divided by 3, it is equal to 350. So what we get now? यहाँ के आयो?
X is equals to 350.
Value
X.
of
X means
Value of x.
cost of 1 kg chicken.
Chicken, yes.
1 kg chicken को price आयो 350 rupees. Remaining is cost of 1 kg mutton. त्यसको लागि यो x को value कुनै एउटा equation मा राख्नु पर्यो, either in 1 or 2. So putting value of x in equation first मा यो 350 राख्यो भने x को ठाउँमा we will get 2 into 350 because there is 2x. 2 into 350 plus y is equal to 1500. Multiply it, 200 350 it is 700 plus y is equal to 1500. Take 700 to right side. So y is equal to 1500 minus 700 and it gives us y is equal to 800. That means cost of chicken is 350 and cost of mutton is rupees 800, which is
800.
required answer. Okay, if there is no problem, let's move to next question. Question number E. The breadth of rectangular playground of a school is 1/3 of its length. If the perimeter of playground is 32 meter, find its length and breadth. So here are also two sentences. The breadth of rectangular playground is 1/3 of its length. This will give us one equation. Similarly, the perimeter of playground is 32 meter. This will also give us another equation, and we have to find out the length and breadth. In previous question, to find out the cost of chicken and mutton, we suppose that the cost of chicken be x and cost of mutton be y. Similarly, here also we have to suppose the length and breadth be some variable. So let length is equal to x and breadth is equal to y. Okay, the value which we have to find out. जुन value find out गर्नु पर्ने छ त्यसलाई नै suppose गर्यौं. After that, another given thing is perimeter is equal to 32 meter. This is given here. So I am taking the second one at first. First one like first मै लिए पनि हुन्छ 1/3 of its length भनेको छ. We know that formula of perimeter is equal to 2 times L into B. This is the formula for perimeter of rectangle. Now put values. Value of perimeter is 32. Value of length is X and value of breadth is Y. So simplify it. This 32, if 32 is divided by 2, it is 16. So 16 is equal to X plus Y, or X plus Y is equal to 16 is our first equation. And look at first sentence. I made the equation from second sentence at first. You second sentence like first ma राखे है. First ma second sentence लाई राख्ने कि first sentence लाई राख्ने. Choose it yourself. And according to first sentence, breadth is 1/3 of its length. यो breadth length को 1/3 छ भनेको छ. Third part, 1/3 part. So to get this breadth Y, we must divide the length by 3, isn't it? If it is said breadth is 1/3 of the length, we must divide the length by 3 to get its breadth. So we can say Y is equal to length divided by 3. This is according to the question. Question मा दिएको हुनाले यस्तो भयो. Do cross multiplication. 3y is equal to x, or x is equal to 3y. Our equation first is 16 is equal to x plus y, and second one x is equal to 3y. So put this value of x in equation first. Putting value of x in equation first, 16 is equal to x plus y. Value of x is 3y. So it becomes 16 is equal to 3y plus y. 3y plus y, it is 4y. 16 is equal to 4y. Then what will be value of y?
4.
4. 16 divided by 4 equal to
4.
Now we get the value of breadth. Breadth आइसक्यो y.
Y.
Breadth y आइसक्यो भने यहाँनिर substitute गरिदेऊ. Put the value of y here, you will get value of x also, that will be the length. So putting value of y in equation first, 16 is equal to x plus 4. So 16 minus 4 is equal to x. 4 is taken to left side, subtract it. X is equal to 16 minus 4, that means x is equal to 12. Therefore, length of the rectangular playground is 12 meter, as well as breadth of the rectangular ground is 4 meter. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, if there is no confusion, let's end the class because this is the last question of exercise 10. If any problem comes in whole exercise, yesterday who sent me? Bimochan sent me the questions. And one of that question I solved, that was question number B8. And remaining questions, try to solve remaining questions. If you don't know, you may send it to me in Messenger. I'll either send the solution to you directly at the same time if I'll be free, or I'll solve in those questions in next class. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a great day.
Thank you, sir.
Enjoy your day.
Thank you,
Just join your
sir.
next
Have a good
class
day.
Thank you, sir.
and learn a
Okay,
lot.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Okay, sir.